30 minus 2 parenthesis 12 minus 9. In our parentheses, we have 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 will give us 3. Then we have 30 minus 2 times 3. 30 minus 2 will give us 28. Then 28 times 3 will give us 84. 84 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction working from your left to your right. In order to arrive in a very correct answer, let's dive into the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our parentheses, which is 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 will give us 3. Then we have done our parentheses. We bring down our 30 minus 2 times 3. In mathematics, if a number is close to a parenthesis, note that there is a multiplication sign in between. Then we have a subtraction and a multiplication. We first of all work with our multiplication first because it comes first before subtraction. 2 times 3 will give us 6. Then we have 30 minus 6. 30 minus 6 will give us 24. So 24 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.